I'm Chef Mike Anthony.
And today we're going to be making Caesar salad dressing with no anchovies.
Hold the anchovies. It is the traditional part of this dressing, but it'll taste delicious by skipping them too.
So let's get started.
The first thing that we need to do is separate the yellow from the white.
Crack it. Take a spoon and we so carefully scoop it out. Ta-da!
That was easy. We could save that for an omelet, right?
Yeah.
Next, would you add like 1 teaspoon of mustard?
You know, I don't really like mustard. You don't taste it at all.
Good.
Like that?
Yep. I'm gonna peel the garlic. Just gonna squash the garlic like that and just trim the top, and it comes right out of its skin. And then I want to chop this garlic really finely. So I slice it in pieces as small as possible, and then I put my hand on the back of the knife and the knife on the cutting board, and I just lift my right hand up and down. So that might look like a lot of chopped garlic, but it's what gives this dressing a little pungency. It gives it some pop. That's pretty fine. Now I'm going to put it all in the bowl. Next, let's squeeze some lemon juice. I'll let you do that.
Okay. So I'm going to squeeze it as hard as I can. I'm going to have lemony smelling hands.
I'm going to squeeze too. Right on top of all that garlic.
Lemony hands.
I'm going to add a little bit of dried rosemary.
Chop, chop, choppity, chop, chop.
And we'll add it to the bowl. Next, could you stir up this mixture?
So making sure I hold it so it doesn't spin.
Are you ready for me to start to add the oil?
Yeah.
All right, keep whisking, okay? A little faster.
I'm doing it as fast as I can.
Good job. I'm gonna add it like drop by drop at first, and then in a slow stream while Addie is mixing. And it makes the sauce thick. It's called an emulsification. Here, you pour and I'll just start the sauce.
Sounds good.
As slow as you can. We're gonna add about like half a cup of olive oil in total. And I'll tell you when to stop. It's looking good. See how it's getting thicker? A little more.
So how do you know when it's done?
Well, the sauce looks creamy and smooth like that. I grate this Parmesan cheese and mix it into the sauce.
I'm going to rough chop these herbs. We have some parsley and some basil. Kids, if you are not comfortable with a knife, ask your parent to help. I'm doing it carefully.
All right, now I want to show you something. When you get it like this, you make a pile like you would, and then you put your hand on it and just go like that.
Expert chopper. So now we're just going to put it into the mixture. This is how it looks. Okay, I'm going to add some salt and a swirly doo-dah and a peppery doo-dah.
Let's give it a taste and see how the seasoning is.
Taste test.
That's pretty good. Lemony, garlicky, fantastic. Now, Addie, it's time to toss this salad and season it.
Can I rip it and put it in?
Yeah, in bite-sized pieces. Okay.
Like this.
Awesome. All right. How about a little salt and pepper? And then
Salad.
let's add the dressing little by little. We can always add more.
The pepper. Put in the salt.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's toss it and taste it, and we'll see if we need more. Okay? That looks pretty good.
I feel a little more.
Put another spoonful. Go ahead.
So 5 big spoonfuls. This looks good. We have some pre-made croutons. If you want to know how to make these delicious croutons, then check out our crispy crouton video.
Right, you want to toss them in there?
Okay. Our dad's gonna go get 2 forks so that we can try it. I'm gonna get a crouton.
Is that your favorite part?
Yes.
Well, I got one too. Mmm.
This is really, really good. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. See you next time.
Hope you liked the video.